Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video we are going to talk about Datta Mege Medical College, Nagpur. We have already discussed about Datta Mege Medical College, which is also known as Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Wardha. So in this video we are going to talk about the Nagpur branch. Datta Mege Medical College, Nagpur is located on Hingna Road, MIDC Industrial Area in Nagpur, Wandongri city of Maharashtra state. This college is a A+ grade college which is affiliated with Datta Mege Institute of Medical Sciences, which is a deemed to be university in Nagpur and is recognized by NMC. This college was established in the year 2020. So this is a newly established medical college which provides 250 MBBS seats, that is 250 UG seats for the MBBS course. Now I will tell you about the fee structure, which is same for both the branches, for Wardha as well as Nagpur branch. So the tuition fees for general category is 20,75,000 rupees per annum, and for NRI category it is $27,500 per annum. The co-curricular fee per annum for general category is 1,25,000 rupees, and for NRI category co-curricular fee per annum is $2,000. The university fee for general category is 1 lakh, and for NRI category it is $2,000. The eligibility fee is 50,000 rupees for general category, and for NRI category it is $1,000. University fee and eligibility fee are one-time fee which you have to pay at the time of admission. Please note that there is 7.5% increment each year in the fee structure, and the examination fees has to be paid separately semester wise. So this was all about MBBS fee structure. Now I will tell you about the MD and MS fee structure. So the MD pathology fees is 15,55,000 rupees per annum. MD general medicine fees is 45,25,000 rupees per annum. MD emergency medicine fees is 30 lakhs. For MD dermatology, venerology and leprosy it is 48 lakhs. For MD anesthesiology 24 lakhs. For MD radiodiagnosis 49 lakhs. For MD pediatrics 41,50,000. For MD psychiatry 27,50,000. For MS general surgery 40 lakhs. For MS orthopedics 41,50,000. For MS gynecology and obstetrics 43,75,000. And please note that there is a 5% increase each year in the tuition fees. Along with the fee structure, there were some points mentioned by the college, like they said you have to submit an undertaking at the time of admission along with the security deposit of 5 lakh rupees, which will be a refundable amount, against 1 year of service condition at time of admission without interest, and also the details of same shall be provided at the time of reporting for admission. The college also said that if admission is cancelled during rounds, administrative charges of 10,000 rupees shall be deducted and remaining balance fees will be refunded within 3 working days. Also, after confirmed admission, if candidate is resigning a seat after cutoff date, he or she will have to pay 3 years of tuition fees, and the above fees do not include hostel, food and exam fees. Now I will give you some hostel information. So Datta Mege Medical College has 3 hostels for students and interns, with common rooms for recreation activities in both hostels, cafeteria, hot water facility and reading room, Wi-Fi facility, laundry services, adequate dining space with 24/7 security. There are different hostels available, single seater, double and triple seater rooms. All are AC rooms, and single seater AC room is for boys only. So the fees for single seater AC room is 4,22,350 rupees per annum, and for double seater AC room fees is 3,55,300 rupees per annum. Triple seater AC room The fees is 2,44,200 rupees per annum. Note that each year there will be 5% increase in all the charges, and the charges of hostel are inclusive of the mess charges, and the food will be veg food. Now I will tell you about the PG hostel fees for both boys and girls, including the mess charges. The hostel charges are 3,87,350 rupees per year for single seater AC room with amenities charge of 35,000. So the total amount for single seater AC room is 4,22,350 rupees. For single seater non AC room, the hostel charge is 3,66,350 rupees per year plus amenities charge is 25,000 rupees. So the total amount is 3,91,350 rupees. For double seater AC room, 3,20,300 rupees per year is the hostel charge with 35,000 rupees of amenities. So the total amount will be 3,55,300 rupees. For double seater non AC rooms, hostel charge is 3,300 rupees per year with amenities charge of 25,000. So the total amount is 3,25,300 rupees. For married couples, there is 1 BHK and 2 BHK. Excluding the mess charges, I am telling the amount. So for 2 BHK non-AC, 4,79,000 rupees plus 35,000 amenities. So the total amount for 2 BHK non-AC is 5,14,000 rupees. And for 1 BHK non-AC, 3,92,400 rupees is the charge of the 1 BHK with 35,000 rupees of amenities. So the total amount is 4,27,400 for 1 BHK non-AC. You must be thinking ki why to choose Datta Mege Medical College. So I have an answer for this. The college has a huge campus. Datta Mege group of institution provides quality education and provides state-of-art infrastructure and laboratories, and has highly qualified and experienced faculty with 24/7 internet facility, hostel facility with affordable rates, indoor and outdoor game activities, lot of opportunities and global exposure, computerized library with rich collection of books and journals, fully equipped molecular operation theatre with laminar flow. The other basic facilities like canteen, library, auditorium, seminar halls, Wi-Fi enabled campus, AC classrooms, gymnasium and sports facility are also in the campus. As this is a recently established medical college, despite of everything, the hospital has a great patient flow around the Nagpur area, the rural areas also from Nagpur as well. Many patients come to the hospital because of its affordable rates and high-tech facilities. There is a great patient flow of 1,000 patients per day. So there is a great exposure in the college. So that was all about Datta Mege Medical College, Nagpur. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. And if you want to know about our counseling services or how to purchase our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling is provided in a video. The link of that video I have attached in the description below. You can go and check out that. And if you have any doubts, so you can also call on this number, and make sure to stay updated by following our page @accidental doctor on Instagram. Also subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.